Are you tired of the constant battle with cluster headaches and migraines? Do you find yourself constantly searching for a solution to your agony? We all know that throbbing pain, the one that makes you feel like your head is about to explode. For many people around the world, cluster headaches and migraines are not just an occasional inconvenience, but a daily battle. If you've ever experienced the excruciating pain of a headache or migraine, you know how it can affect every aspect of your life. Welcome to Do Remedy, Do Cure, where you can subscribe for excellent tips to help you with your holistic health and well-being. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and general purposes only. It is in no way meant to be an alternative to medical advice. With all matters concerning your health, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. And be sure to keep watching all the way through, because there are some solutions that you probably never considered. Now, what if I told you that there might be a natural way to beat these debilitating headaches? A hidden link buried within the rhythm of nature that holds the key to unlocking relief. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, one that unveils the surprising connection between cluster headaches, migraines, and the mysterious dance of our internal body clock. Prepare to go on this groundbreaking exploration where science and storytelling intertwine to change lives forever. Understanding cluster headaches and migraines. Cluster headaches and migraines are more than just troublesome headaches. They are complex neurological disorders that can have a major impact on an individual's life. Let's take a closer look at these conditions to gain a better understanding and explore the path to relief and a brighter future. Cluster headaches are described as agonizing, severe pain that can repeatedly occur on one side of the head and typically clusters in cycles. They got their name from a form of bundles gathered together with durations ranging from weeks to months and interspersed by intervals of remission. Migraines, on the other hand, are headaches that can result in pounding pain, nausea, and sensitivity to light and sound. They can cause significant disruption to everyday activities and general comfort, lasting for hours or even days. It is impossible to undervalue the influence that migraines and cluster headaches have on a person's daily life. Imagine attempting to go out about your day while dealing with crippling pain, whether it be at work, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in hobbies. Simple chores turn into overwhelming obstacles, and the pain can cause irritation, exhaustion, and isolation. As these illnesses worsen, they may have an impact on your emotional health, resulting in anxiety and despair, which would make it much harder to deal with the pain. Despite the fact that medications may offer a short-term reprieve, depending heavily on them might be frustrating. Some medications may cause negative effects, and prolonged use may even result in more headaches. This is where a holistic approach becomes key. When we can deal with the underlying factors that contribute to cluster headaches and migraines by adopting a more thorough approach. Exploring the mind-body connection, understanding the impact of environmental triggers, and incorporating healthy lifestyle changes can empower us to take charge of our well-being. A shift toward taking a holistic approach can nurture our bodies and minds. This might include adopting regular sleep routines, practicing stress reduction methods like meditation and self-awareness, incorporating a balanced diet, and embracing regular exercise. By addressing the whole person, we not only find relief from the immediate pain, but also improve our overall quality of life, promoting emotional resilience and physical well-being. Our body functions like a well-choreographed dance, and the circadian rhythm is the conductor of this symphony. Our sleep-wake cycles, body temperature, hormone release, and even cellular activity are all governed by this internal clock. It is a work of art that keeps us in tune with the regular beats of our environment. Surprisingly, recent studies have discovered a strong connection between cluster headaches, migraines, and the circadian cycle. According to research, headaches might be brought on by disturbances in our body's internal clock. The delicate balance of our brain's chemical messengers may become out of whack when our sleep patterns are inconsistent or when we encounter jet lag. This may then activate headache pathways, causing cluster headaches and migraines to hurt more and even occur more often. Embrace natural sleep patterns. Creating a sleep routine that shadows the light ebb and flow of our circadian rhythm is ideal for headache relief. By keeping a consistent sleep schedule where we go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, we allow our bodies to harmonize with its natural rhythm. This in turn fosters better sleep quality and decreases the likelihood of headache spells. Creating a sleep-favorable environment is equally important. Simple changes like keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet can have a positive impact. Additionally, restricting screen time before bed helps to evade the effect of blue light, which can disrupt our sleep-wake rotation. Adopt a nutritious diet. A key component of treating cluster headaches and migraines is eating a healthy diet. Our diets have a big impact on whether or not we get headaches or how bad they are. Conscious food decisions can reduce the frequency and severity of headaches, hence enhancing general well-being. Here are some specific details about adopting a nourishing diet. 1. Recognize trigger foods. Finding probable headache trigger foods is the first step in implementing a diet that is headache-friendly. Although individual triggers differ, typical offenders include coffee, alcohol, aged cheeses, chocolate, processed meats, and foods containing MSG. You can make informed dietary changes by keeping a food diary to find connections between specific meals and headache episodes. 2. Focus on whole foods. Adopt a diet that places a strong emphasis on real, unprocessed foods. Your meals should be built around fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-dense meals give your body the critical vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to stay healthy overall. They also lower inflammation, which may help reduce headache occurrences. 3. Embrace anti-inflammatory foods. Foods that reduce inflammation may be helpful for headache treatment when incorporated into the diet. Omega-3 rich options include fatty fish, mackerel, salmon, sardines, and plant-based options like chia and flax seeds. These foods help the body fight inflammation, which may lessen the strength of the headaches. 4. Balance blood sugar levels. For some people, fluctuations in blood sugar levels might result in headaches. Include complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals to keep your blood sugar levels constant. Refined sugars and processed carbs should be consumed in moderation, as they might cause blood sugar spikes and falls. 5. Adopt a food elimination diet. If you believe that certain foods are causing your headaches, you might want to think about trying a food elimination diet. This is removing potential trigger foods from your diet for a while before returning them gradually, one at a time, to check for any negative effects. Planning and preparing your meals in advance will help you keep up a diet that is headache-friendly. Being surrounded by healthy options lessens the desire to reach out for trigger foods when things are hectic or stressful. 6. Seek professional advice. If you're having trouble identifying trigger foods or creating a diet that is headache-friendly, you might want to think about getting advice from a qualified dietitian or nutritionist. These experts can offer personalized advice based on your unique requirements and health objectives. Remember that adopting a nutritious diet is not just about restrictions, but rather about creating a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating that supports your overall health and well-being. By being mindful of your food choices and making gradual adjustments, you can take significant strides toward managing your cluster headaches and migraines naturally and improving your quality of life. Water is the elixir of life, and staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall well-being and headache prevention. Dehydration can lead to a drop in blood volume, causing blood vessels to narrow and trigger headaches. By making a conscious effort to drink enough water throughout the day, we can reduce the likelihood of headache attacks. Being mindful is an invaluable tool for managing stress, a common headache trigger. Practices like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help the mind and ease tension, which promotes relaxation and reduces the intensity of headaches. Regular physical activity is essential for managing headaches as well as improving our general health. Exercise causes the body's natural painkillers, endorphins, to be released, which makes us feel good and lessens the intensity of headaches. For those who get headaches often, low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are ideal options because they reduce the possibility of setting off an attack. Additionally, being outside and being exposed to natural light might have a good effect on our circadian cycle. Our internal clock is better regulated by sunlight, which also improves sleep quality and overall health. In the modern digital world, spending too much time in front of the screen has become a standard. It can also be a substantial headache inducer. Long-term use of screens, televisions, computers, or smartphones can strain our eyes and cause headaches. Taking frequent breaks and modifying screen settings to reduce eye strain are two strategies for controlling triggers connected to screens. Making spaces in our home free of technology can also encourage relaxation and serve as a headache-relieving haven. Understanding the relationship between headaches and disruptions in our circadian rhythm can be done effectively by tracking headache patterns and causes. We can spot probable patterns and triggers, then make informed lifestyle changes by keeping a headache diary. Convenient mobile apps have been created exclusively for tracking headaches thanks to modern technology. We can learn more about how our circadian rhythm affects headaches by providing information regarding the frequency, length, and possible origins of the headache. Being aware of the connection between cluster headaches, migraines, and our circadian rhythm gives us the ability to adopt proactive measures to relieve headaches. We can achieve pain-free living by embracing natural sleep cycles, adopting a healthy diet, practicing mindfulness, staying hydrated, engaging in regular exercise, limiting screen time, and keeping a headache journal. We may unlock a brighter headache-free future filled with joy by regulating our body's natural cycles and changing our entire way of living. If you got value out of this content, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Let's embrace this journey with hope and optimism, with the knowledge that each step we take moves us closer to recovering our lives from the grip of suffering.